Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Morning, assalamu alaikum everybody, and welcome to another vlog. Today is the 29th day of Ramadan. You probably see this after Ramadan now. Tomorrow could be Eid. Could be Eid. Maybe the next day.
Tomorrow's not Eid because tomorrow is this month's tomorrow.
Yeah, there's another bag, so you know, it might be, it might not be, anyway. But today, I have just, like, the realization hit me last night. I was like, it's gonna be Eid tomorrow, like, maybe, or the next day. So, I just haven't, I'm not prepared at all, like, in the slightest. It's not Eid tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Look at Elisa's hair. We just did Elisa's hair so nicely. What do you guys think? Is it a good hairstyle? Isa decided that he doesn't want to wear clothes today and he's going out in his pajamas. Yeah. Yeah. He's also seems to be feeling a little bit better than yesterday. I don't have any more Calpol. Like, I gave him like the last little tiny bit we had this morning. But we're going to head out, take Elisa to school, and then I'll let you know what we're doing. What a morning, guys. It's just been like a mission of a morning. Elisa's back from school already. That's how much I've vlogged today. So she got back from school just now. Went to the meat shop on the way home. I have a bag full of ASDA stuff that I want to show you. But I also went to Greg's and got the kids some cupcakes because I want to. It's nearly Eid. They're my babies. I love my babies and they want cupcakes. Well, they don't even want them. Like, I bought them because I wanted to buy them. Anyway, I just love my babies. Do you want a hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make Elisa some hot chocolate. Izzy, you want a hot chocolate?
I want the shark one.
You want the shark one? Look at the little cupcakes.
I want the mermaid one.
You want a mermaid one?
I like shark.
Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna chill for a little bit, have a little tea party, have a little hot chocolate party. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I get once I have sorted these guys out. So, wobble wobble. Are you guys ready for a haul? I got from the meat shop chicken breast, and I got some keema, mutton keema, and those are for my samosas. And I don't even know what I'm gonna do, make some spring rolls. I don't even know, we'll see how it goes. I got some medication for Isa. I got some Nurofen, and I also got some Calcough. This is like for coughs. He's got a bit of a cough, so I was like, we'll try that, see how that goes. If he carries on coughing, like I haven't given it to him yet. I picked up some Cherry Pepsi Max, my favourite fizzy drink. Ran out of those. I got myself a dress, which, guys, I'm not bothered about this Eid at all. I don't know, because I feel like it kind of looks a bit like a nightie at the same time. What do you think? It looks like pajamas. Do you think it looks like pajamas?
Wear it for Eid.
Wear it for Eid. I might. We'll see how it looks on, but that's the dress. It was £20, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or return it or what, but we'll see. And then we picked up some little trousers for Isa. These are stretchy ones. I bought these because he needed some trousers instead of shorts for Eid. And I only had shorts because I didn't realise it was going to rain. And I also tried to go and get him some trainers today as well from Sports Direct. And what am I saying? And he just didn't want them. Like, I was like, which ones do you want? Like, choose some from the wall. Like, you know how they have the wall of shoes? I was like, choose some that you like. I like these ones. Point size feet. Like, he just doesn't want anything that isn't the ones that is on his feet. Like, I was like, this one, this is so nice. This is green, this is white, this is this colour. He just wants the ones that's on his feet. Like, he doesn't want to know. So, I got him these, and he's just going to have to wear his black and red trainers with his outfit. I don't even care. Next, I picked up some watermelon for the kids and myself. I decided to be really lazy. Picked up 3 pot noodles. I got the curry original curry even. I got chicken and mushroom, and I also got Bombay Bad Boy. It's probably going to be too spicy for me, but never mind. I picked up some strawberries, some mayonnaise. I got some little Eid presents for the kids. I'm not going to tell them what it is, but they're just like made for them. These ones are. I'm not sure. I got some chocolate. I'm such a sucker for, you know, when things are advertised and you're just like, oh, that looks amazing. So this used to be my favorite chocolate. Like, I used to love this stuff. Marvelous Creations with jelly popping candy, and it was so good. Mummy's dangerous.
Yeah, because you would eat candy.
Mummy's dangerous. She goes, Mummy's dangerous because you always eat candy. Yeah, I know, right? Now they have white ones. White ones, like what? So obviously I had to get it. Obviously there was no question about it. That had to come home with me. The next item I got were some earbuds. I've been using so many of these to clean Elisa's ears. They've just all run out. So earbuds. I got some samosa pastry, spring roll pastry, whatever you want it to be. This girl is copying everything I'm saying right now. You better stop it. You better. You better. I picked up some coriander. Girl. I got some mature cheddar. Oi, that's enough now. I picked up some puff pastry. I don't know what I'm going to make with that. I got some Dairy Dunkers. I got some mozzarella cheese. I got some bananas. I got some potatoes. And I also got some Costa. I got the intense dark roast this time. This was the only one left on the shelf, and I was so happy that there was one there, because this is like the main reason that I went, because I'd run out of mine and I need some more Costa coffee. But I've not tried the intense dark roast one yet, so I'm excited to try this. The last thing that I got were these slime pots. I don't know, I just picked up some slime pots because I just thought they'd be fun to give to the kids for Eid and just add as like a little present extra for the kids. Anyway, that is everything I got from ASDA. And that is everything I got from everywhere. So I'm gonna go put it all away. Hello, assalamu alaikum, good morning. And it's not actually morning, it's afternoon. Welcome to another vlog. So today is actually the day before Eid. It's Wednesday today. Issa wants an apple, so I'm gonna get him an apple because the giraffe's eating an apple, so he wants an apple. Here you go, my darling. Yeah. So today is the day before Eid. I am not feeling like great. The last couple of days I've been struggling, like mental health wise. I've just been like so down and horrid. Like I just haven't been feeling like vlogging, and I haven't been feeling 100%. Like I've just been feeling rubbish. Everything that's happening in Palestine is just getting to me as well. Like it just doesn't feel right celebrating when Palestine is in the state that it's in, and it just feels horrible. And it's not just about that either. There's other things going on, but it's just, you know, it just doesn't help the situation, does it? Like it just doesn't feel like Eid at all for me. So I'm here trying to hold on and kind of get things done, make it feel like Eid for my kids at least, because, you know, what else can I do apart from nothing? Do you know what I mean? I actually wasn't even going to vlog today, but I thought let's just pick up the camera because it really is so hard, but I've got to stay strong. Issa hasn't been feeling too good either. Like the last couple of nights he's waking up with the temperature, bad throat, everything. He seems fine in the day, but in the night he's just not right. Anyway, Like, he's completely fine now, alhamdulillah, just ignoring an apple, watching animals on the TV. But I went to Home Bargains this morning and I finished off like all my Eid present shopping, wrapped the rest of the presents and filled all the gift bags for all my nieces and nephews. Everything is basically ready to go now, but now I'm going to be making some samosas because I just feel like it. Like, I bought everything for it yesterday, so I was like, let's just do it. Let's just make it feel a little bit like Eid at least. Muad released an Eid song yesterday, so I'm just like listening to that, trying to make myself feel better. I don't even know, I'm just feeling rubbish today. But anyway, I'm just gonna try and get these samosas done and then go and get Elisa from school. It is currently 1:30, so I'm gonna do that and then go and get her. I need to also go to Karcher Road because I want to get some Eid clothes. I know it's so late to go and get Eid clothes, but I need to go and do it because I don't like anything that I bought. Like, everything that I have bought is just not nice. I don't like any of it enough to wear it on Eid.
They cannot break us, they cannot shake us. Patiently waiting for guaranteed freedom. You can take our homes, but we will remain strong. Cause Allah's on our side, and He's where we belong. Palestine, Palestine, wipe those tears from those saddened eyes. Palestine, Palestine, Jannah waits for your innocent life. Palestine, Palestine, we'll be free of Palestine. Oh, we feel it, we all feel your pain, your pain. Palestine, Palestine, we'll be free of Palestine. Oh, believe in the one who protects your faith. You can do no harm, even with your bombs. You have the big tanks, but we have Allah.
So my samosa filling and my spring roll filling is all done. Still feeling rubbish. Honestly, I feel like I've got a sore throat and my nose is just not stopped running. So I just feel really poorly as well as everything else. So today's not going great. But I am about to go and get Elisa from school because it's nearly 2:30. She finished at 3, so I've got a little bit of time before I can go. I don't really know what I'm going to do in that time. I'm just going to chill because I just feel rubbish. This vlog is supposed to be like a fun, happy vlog, but I'm sorry. Debbie Downer over here. So guys, it's a little bit later now. I went out to get Elisa from school and then I dropped them off, and then now I'm back. No, actually I went to get my Eid clothes from Coventry Road, and then I was like, you know what, I can't find any parking, so I'm gonna get my car valeted, and while it's being valeted, go and get my Eid clothes. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Now I am sitting here and about to make some samosas. Pastry is in here, and I'm just gonna watch something on TV while I do it because why not?
The tyrants, through all your violence, we have the Ummah, and we won't be silenced. Palestine, Palestine, wipe those tears from those saddened eyes. Palestine, Palestine, Jannah waits for your innocent lives. Palestine, Palestine, we'll be free of Palestine. Oh, we feel it, we all feel your pain, your pain. Palestine, Palestine, we'll be free of Palestine. Oh, believe in the one who protects your faith. In the eyes of the children is the courage of millions. Rise up, Palestinians. If you call Allah listens. Palestine, Palestine, we'll be free at Palestine. Oh, we feel it. We all feel your pain, your pain. Palestine, Palestine, we'll be free at Palestine. Oh, believe in the one who protects your faith. Oh yeah.
They call me Rhamzan.
Oh yeah. I'm just a child, hoping to live my life. Now I have a task bigger than I am. When I'm in mama's heart, the one that shattered. The day of fireworks landed, took away Papa. If tears turn to river, now I'll be drowning. I swear, if I was bigger, now I'll be fighting. Because this is where I know the only place I call home. There's nowhere I'll go. I wanna pray at the door. Jerusalem, Ikayalami, and I pray to Allah that someday I'll be free on this land, Palestine. Someday I'll be free on this land, Palestine. I pray someday I'll be free, because this is where I know the only place I call home. There's nowhere I'll go. I wanna pray at the door. Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah.